I believe the local MP has made its way right there as well, and we're getting some reactions on.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you just tell us what is the situation inside? What is happening inside at the moment?
You can down inside yesterday night also I was here. See, unbelievable thing has happened here. Not in the history so far, in the history of this airport also. Decades this airport is here, such an accident has never happened here. But it could be either yesterday's weather condition, heavy pouring, unusual pouring that was predicted. But at that time, this landing took place, and that met with an accident. It fell from such height. Only God only saved the remaining lives. God only saved the remaining. It didn't get fire. That also is a miracle from God. I have no doubt about that. Such one who sees this accident site won't believe that who were escaped. I can say before an investigation how the accident happened and all that. There was weather condition was one reason. There is no doubt about that.
So, what is the total number of casualty? There is a confusion regarding the people who lost their life. What is the total number?
So far, the confirmed number is 18-19. 18 to 19. One are not identified. Name is not identified, but it should be 19. But there are 16 people who are in serious condition. That is also there. 16 in serious condition. So latest information has to come from hospitals only. That is why I am not talking about to the media about the actual number. It's not proper. But confirmed is this 19, and 16 people are there in very serious condition.
And so actually the tabletop runways has a history. Has actually a history of such accidents. We had something in Mangalore, and now we have such incidents here. Do you think time has come for the airports authority and other administration to increase the runway which is over here, or increase the length of the runway?
Runway increasing is not a very easy task. It was there in the agenda. It had been discussed in many times, even in the presence of the Civil Aviation Minister and other officers. That is always there in the agenda. It has to be done. There is no doubt about that. It has to be done. There is no doubt about that.
So has there been any word on the compensation to the family?
Yeah. Government has to take a decision. We are, as people's representative, we are taking it up. There is no doubt about that.
And also Rahul Gandhi.
Government as well as the central government has to do that. We will take it up with both the governments.
Right, so thank you so much for speaking to us. So that was P.K. Kunyalikutti MLA. He is the MLA from Malappuram, from this very constituency. He was here since yesterday. Today he has come here again to take stock of the situation as daylight broke. And as he was telling me, there is a slight confusion regarding the total number of confirmed cases. He was saying it's 18 or 19 because they are yet to identify one more person who has lost that life. So we are assuming that the number could be 19, and they have identified 18 of them, and the 19th person is yet to be identified. So that is how the situation looks like at Calicut International Airport at the crash site at the moment.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.